Alright, today, going to Spanish kids. Oh, by the way, I'm creating. I'm not the, not up the, not up the, I'm not the robot. I'm not the creators. I'm just joking. By the way, if I fall, oh man, if I fall, I boys rebel. Wow, I just use my voice. Buzz, buzz. This is not my voice. Oh, this is my voice. I'm joking. We're going to try. It's no sniff like challenge because my friend is hacking. His name is Cute Girl. Cutie Girl. Cute. And she is a hacker. And my friend use her hacking skills. So she gives to my friend. So by the way, wow wow wow, wow 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 wow. By the way, I'm gonna voice reveal. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hello guys. Ito po ako. By the way, nahulog po ako. Kaya mag-safe lock na po tayo. Ay, di na pila tayo mag-safe lock. And by the way, nahulog ako. By the way, ang hirap nitong obi. May isa nagtatayong talon doon. You're looking for the girl like me. So, dito po tayo. Shortcut na lang. Kasi, muntik na ako. So, ginamit ko po yung voice ko yung gato. Hello guys! Hello guys! Hello guys! By the way, how are you? Like that. Because my voice, I can change anything. Hey, what are you doing here? Mommy! Yeah. I'm excited.